guys, Darren Amato from Bandanas Online here. We're out in the shop again, and today we're going to be talking about royal blue bandanas. And no, I did not wear a royal blue shirt today on purpose for this video to talk about royal blue bandanas.
Yes, I did.
Yes, you did.
Yes, I did.
So let's go take a look at those bandanas. Here they are coming off the belt. Royal blue bandanas with a discharge white print on it for our customer All World Machinery Supply. Now the reason why I'm taking a video today to talk about royal blue bandanas is because I want you guys to take a look at the back of these. One of the questions that we get asked a lot is, does the print soak through on the back, especially with colors like purple, red, and royal? So take a look on the back. I want to show you what the back side of this bandana looks like. It does soak through, as you can see, but it shows a little bit of a gray color.
You've gone gray.
Instead of a white color. And the reason for that is because the discharge is only partial. Discharge is like a precise bleaching agent on a bandana, and it removes the original color and replaces it with whatever pigment you put in its place. In this case, really nothing. So it bleaches down to the natural color of cotton, which is not pure white. I'm going to show you the bandanas coming off the belt again, so take a look. We're able to print several thousand bandanas a day. As you can see, they're coming off in a row. After they're done, they fall into this bin. When this bin gets full,
it's overflowing sometimes.
We move them over here to the table. Looks like a little bit of a mess.
Bandanas! Gracias, señor.
But after that, we bring our staff over and we fold them and package them individually for you. If you want them polybagged, we can do that. If you'd like them bulk packed, we can do that as well. So if you're looking for custom bandanas, please give us a call or stop by our website, bandanasonline.com.